Actually, out of a few composite courses that I've done, the enamel one has been the best one so far because the material is really nice to use and the whole day has been quite enjoyable from the lecture portion of it to the hands-on. And I think it's really important to have this hands-on.
Yeah, it was informal, but that made it good because you didn't feel silly asking questions. You felt you could interact with the tutors and they were always more than happy to help or give some instruction or advice. And Dipesh today was phenomenal. Very clear, amazing presentation, things you can take into practice the next day.
Today's course is really good. Dipesh is a really natural teacher.
It's very refreshing to have someone who's at the coal face, someone who's actually using these materials on a daily basis. That's absolutely crucial.
He has confidence, but there's a lot of clarity. He knows his techniques and his materials.
He's got this amazing passion for what he does, and that sort of instills passion in everyone on the course.
I'd highly recommend this course. You can learn a lot. The lectures were good, the atmosphere was great.
The training session was exceptional and I recommend it to anybody who fancies getting involved in cosmetic side of dentistry or even just learning basic techniques to improve their kind of practice.
It's an absolutely amazing course. I've had lots of advice and lots of supporting help, and to be honest, just very thought-provoking and inspiring.
I've enjoyed it from beginning to end. I would thoroughly recommend anyone who's looking for a product that is going to help their clinical performance, that's going to improve their predictability in the restorations they provide.
It's been a really fun day, it's been a really educational day, and definitely go. I would definitely recommend you go.